Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Navpreet and today I'm going to talk about a very important topic that is based on your personal productivity and performance, which is that one aspect that helps us grow in our workspace. So let's dig a bit deeper into this. But first, I want to ask you all one question. How many of you have done multiple certifications? Of course, all of us have done that, right? So we all choose our field of study. Then, when we get more interested into it, then we choose to do some more certifications in the same field further. And that is perfectly fine, right? But the point here is, I have seen so many people who are certified in multiple courses and they have done so much of study, right? In diverse fields, they have studied so much. But when it comes to their performance at the workplace, somewhere they lack. Can I get an answer from you that where do they lack? Okay. So if I have to say this, they lack in their skill set. So studying, appearing for an assessment, and then getting certified. This is a common course which almost every individual follow in terms of when they are studying or completing their degrees, right? But the real application of their knowledge, the real application of their learning is their skill set, right? And most of the professionals, they lag behind in this particular aspect. That is why they are not able to perform to that level where they should be performing and where they can actually, I mean, they can expect an upraise for themselves in that case, right? So I will talk about 3 points here when it comes to improving your skills, right? First thing is that yes, you are a certified professional, but do not think that you do not need any more training or coaching or you do not need any kind of upgradation. Believe me, you need to upgrade yourself every single day when you are in a job. Okay. Second thing, always embody a positive mindset whenever somebody observes your working and gives you a feedback. Always consider feedback as constructive. Even if somebody tells you something negative at times, please think upon it instead of reacting, self reflect and think, analyze that situation, and then maybe you can respond to that person with a more logical answer, right? But always take feedback as constructive because feedbacks actually shows you the mirror where you stand at that moment in your performance levels. Okay. And third, very important thing is when you are done with your work in your day, please come back home and sit with yourself for 10 to 15 minutes. You may do journaling. You may simply sit and think and talk to yourself about how was your performance today. So you can consider talking to yourself as first person. So how did I perform today? Write it down. List down all the little milestones that you achieved today and all those things for which you got some feedback and you need to improve on those areas. So I have mentioned 3 things. Next time, whenever you complete a course and get certified, do not think that it is end of the story. You need to improve on your skills every passing day and be open to feedbacks, take them constructively, and keep working on them. So your skills get showcased when you are able to take up challenges, when you are able to apply your knowledge, your previous knowledge into new situations and find solutions to that, and when you are able to troubleshoot any condition or any situation when you get stuck in. And you all must, believe this, that all these things are happening in our day-to-day scenarios, in our day-to-day workplace scenarios, right? But if we will keep this block in our mind that no, now I'm a certified professional, I am at that level, I got certifications from so and so academy, from so and so institute, from so and so university, and I don't need any kind of upgradation or any kind of learning now. I'm sorry, people, you are missing out on a lot. Okay, so please be focused on your skills more than what certificates you carry in your file that you have submitted to your HRs. So if you will work on your skills, nobody can stop you from growing and nobody can stop you from upgrading. So this was my today's topic about how you can improve on your productivity and performance at the workplace. If you all find it informative and insightful, do give me a thumbs up in the comment section below, or you can also send in a beautiful comment, or you can always review, and your suggestions and your reviews and point of views are always welcome. I'll see you again on another side with another topic on Sunday. But Sunday will be dedicated to only professionals that are my community educators. I'll see you then. Till then, take care, bye bye, and keep upgrading yourself.